finally preparing this raised bed so it can be ready for spring. If you guys been following my channel, this raised bed had an incident. I had a cat, a stray cat at that, to poop in this bed. And once I found that out, I didn't even want to deal with this bed anymore. I did clean the poop out, but I didn't want to plant anything else in this bed. I wasted a couple of bags of soil and fertilizer. And I know many of you may think, well, you could have still used that soil and that compost, but I'm just not comfortable with it. I decided I wanted to get rid of everything, start fresh. So for the winter, just cleaning this bed out, putting down some more fabric, wheat fabric, and I'm going to actually use this as a greenhouse to put some of my potted plants in over the winter time. And I bought this raised bed from Amazon. It did come with the PVC pipe and the plastic. And I used it on my other raised bed all summer, and it did great. Another thing I like about this raised bed and the actual plastic is that both sides open up. You can tie the tops of the lids that open. You can tie them down at the very top of the PVC pipe. So, you know, if you needed to let some rain in on a rainy day, you can still open it. You don't have to take the whole plastic from off the PVC pipe. I did want to put my pepper plant in here, but I wouldn't be able to close the plastic back up, so I wasn't able to put that one in here. But I did put my garlic in here that I have in a pot, and my cucumber plant that I had that I knew was not going to survive. It survived maybe a week and it died, which I knew that was going to happen. But me, I never like to get rid of my plants. I started growing that plant when it was late summer, and it actually did very well. That was my first time growing it. And my luck, if I would have grew it in the spring, it wouldn't have did anything. So I was proud of it, and I wanted to keep it until it perished, and that's what I did. And this is how everything looks. I also put some pine bark on top of the soil so it could stay moist. This is my second time growing garlic. The first time I grew it last fall, it was a complete disaster. I think it was because I grew it in a grow bag, and the grow bag kept the soil very, very dry. So this time I used a regular plastic pot, and so far so good. I can definitely say I enjoyed my first garden experience this year. I had a nice setup. I think I came a long way, and I've done a lot to the space, and I'm looking forward to spring and summer of 2025 so I can continue to make my backyard my beautiful garden oasis. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.